Maxine at Fabricland. I thought I'd showcase our lovely velour cowl neck sewing kit that we've got. It's $14.25. It comes with everything you need, and this is the pattern. The brooch is mine, so you can't have that. Okay, so look how gorgeous this is. I think this would look lovely on Christmas Day, whether you're meeting with friends, you're cooking the turkey. I just think this will look lovely. I feel lovely in it. It's gorgeous. If I show you a couple of other patterns that I've selected, this is another easy top pattern, and also this with like a bolero jacket, and I've pulled out some lovely fabrics, so you could maybe put something over something quite plain and jazz it up. We've got these lovely velours and sequin fabrics and crushed velours, and look, this lovely one with the square sequins on it. If you wanted, you could get a plain top and maybe accessorize it and funk it up a bit with our Christmas motifs. There's all these gorgeous lovely velours with sequins and foil prints on, crushed, glitter. So why not come and have a look on our website? If you don't want something sparkly, we've even got crepe back satin, so you could just make yourself a satin top. So come and have a look on our website. Goodbye, Max.